guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to my another YouTube video, and I'm back with a bang here. I hope you all are doing amazing and fab like always. So I have a really exciting thing to show you in this video. Guess what? I have shopped like a bunch of summer floral outfits from this sustainable brand called Virgio, and I'm sure like by now you would know about this brand, and I am absolutely in love. And I was checking their collection and I felt like they have so like Pinteresty sort of clothes, and बहुत कम apps होती है, कम websites होती हैं where you find like so aesthetic outfits. So I absolutely love the fabric. जो भी मुझे products receive हुए हैं, it's eco-friendly and sustainable fabric. Let's quickly start the video because I'm really excited. I want you guys to see the outfits that I've got, and इनकी packaging भी biodegradable है, which is a great thing, guys. First up, I have a cotton dress, guys. It's a cotton floral cute summer dress. Look at this, guys. I love the color. It is such a like brunch kind of outfit, or even a vacation outfit as well, because vacation pay, if you're traveling somewhere, definitely you can style this up. So it's a short dress, by the way. This dress ka USP is that it comes with the pockets, guys. You get a place to store your lipsticks, to store your things. Here is the pocket, by the way. It hugs at the right places and gives my body a very curvy figure. It's a bit slight A-fit dress, and its bag is super interesting. Teacher say it's like so cool, guys. Iska na material is like 100% cotton, so like गर्मी में आप आराम से डाल सकते हो. And this is eco-friendly fabric again, which is a very nicest thing. It has a lining also नीचे, तो आप नीचे बस एक cycling shorts डाल लेना, and then you're sorted. You can easily pair them with like sneakers, with heels वगैरह. So a lot of ways to style this dress, guys. ये मुझे पड़ी थी 2490 rupees की, and ये मैंने लिया small size में, and mostly इस वीडियो में सारे dresses मैंने small में ही लिए. Guys, let me tell you one amazing fact about all the Virgio products. All the products have this QR code, and when you scan it, guys, it will give you all the garment details along with the styling tips. Like, that's so cool. I mean, that's wow. Nobody does that, and this is something that I really found very interesting about Virgio products. Guys, next up, I have again a very vacation calling dress, and that is the one that I'm wearing in this video. Absolutely love it, and a perfect summer dress, I would say. I mean, it is so pretty. I love this floral detailing. It fits me so well. Like, it's a body hugged kind of dress. आपको drawing में पता लगेगा side में. But again, like, it's a flowy dress. It's a A-line dress. So ये short dress है. This V-neck looks so good, and then the puff sleeves. So इस dress में ना सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छा है. This is something that I want to pair it with sneakers वगैरह. Costed me around 1990, और ये भी मैंने small में ही लिए है. But this neck sits so well. All these dresses are made from like a natural fabric, guys, which is like viscose, and viscose ki dresses are so comfortable to wear. They are perfect for summer, so I feel this is again such a nice floral cute summer dress. Guys, next up that we have is like one of my favorites of this entire haul. It's a shirt. So it's a paneled striped shirt, and you guys know like striped shirt is just so much in trend these days. I love to wear such kind of shirts when I'm like stepping out to chill. Like आप easily अगर कहीं coffee पीने जा रहे हो, chill करने जा रहे हो friends के साथ, you can sure like ace this up. You can easily style this for your workwear too. You can easily like pair this with trousers, pants, तो आप इसको टग इन करके डाल सकते हो, ऐसे टग आउट करके डाल सकते हो. वेरी क्लासिक शर्ट, आई वुड से. इसका मटेरियल बहुत ग्रेट है. इट इज सॉफ्ट कॉटन, सो आप इजीली इसको समर्स वगैरह में डाल सकते हो. ये भी मैंने स्मॉल साइज में लिया है. इसका भी प्राइस आई थिंक 90 rupees था. Highly recommend. Next again is a short dress, but it's a black one, guys, and I know like black dresses jitni bhi ho kam hai, you can never get bored of black dresses. This is how it is. This is the neck, guys. I love this detailing in the front, like ye jo ruffled material hai white color ka. It adds a lot to the dress. Again, it's a short dress. This dress is so appropriate agar aapko parties karna bahut pasand hai, if you like to go to events and all, aapko tab samajh nahi aata kya dale. I think this can be really presented well and can look fab on you. Slim fit dress and hugs my body at the right places. Your body will look in shape, guys. ये भी मैंने small में ही लिया है. जैसे मैं बताया ना आपको, मैंने mostly चीजें small में ही लिया है. This fabric is polyester, but this is like a crimped texture होता है ना. This is made up of recycled fabric. नीचे इस dress के पूरे lining मिलेगी आपको. I would love to rate this dress like 10 on 10. Love it. Guys, next up is another one of my favorite dress of this haul. It screams summer, guys. Look at this florals. It's a kind of like beachwear dress, very relaxed fit, balloon fit, and very comfort fit, I would say. The print is great, the fabric is so soft. I love with this dress honestly. Little deep v-neck, and then साथ में you get these like balloon sleeves. These are so wide sleeves, flowy fit देगा यहाँ से, बहुत elegant लगता है. Heels के साथ पहन सकते हो, flats पहन सकते हो अगर आप beach पे जा रहे हो. You can pair this with like a nice hat and a jute bag. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear this. If I'm traveling next to the beach, I am surely gonna carry this with me. इस dress का price भी ना 1790 था. This one again I got in the size small. It is one of the softest fabric of this video. It's viscose, and viscose ना वैसे भी बहुत lightweight, बहुत airy and soft and wearable होता है summers में. So the last dress of this video is a halter neck dress. Halter necks ना बहुत ज़्यादा trend में है guys. That's why I love it, and मुझे personally halter neck ना बहुत attractive लगता है. So this is the colorful sort of floral dress. Makes you look very ladylike. That can be styled on multiple days. Dress की थोड़ी सी long length है, तो इसका length वगैरह बहुत अच्छा है. This comes like knees से थोड़ा आपको नीचे तक आएगा, like if you're average heighted person. वैसे तो ये body hugged straight fit dress है, but it is a slight A-line at the bottom area. तो ये से बहुत प्यारी A-line shape देगा body को. Halter neck dresses and थोड़ी सी लंबी length की dresses, it just sort of brings such a feminine energy out there in you. इसका भी price वगैरह 1840 rupees था, and ये भी size small में है. But at the same time, इसका ड्रेस का जो फैब्रिक है, this is extremely soft, and that's why I feel आपको ऐसी टाइप की ड्रेसेस में ना जरूर इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. highly recommend. So this was it guys for today's video, and I'm absolutely loving all the outfits that I've got from Virgio. Like literally they're so aesthetic outfits, they're so trendy and beautiful outfits, so summery, so colorful, and of course like versatile. So I hope you like this video, and I will put all the product links in my description box. आप वहाँ से check कर सकते हो. I will also put like Virgio का website link to check out their collection, and I'm sure like you will love their collection guys, because there's so many trendy fits out there. Well, not just this, you can even use my coupon code जो मैं अपनी screen पे डाल दूंगी for additional 300 rupees off, which is a great discount. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.